was fielded in the state of Maharashtra by the Mahavikas Aghadi. Naseem Khan, meanwhile, has spoken exclusively to Times Now over his letter to the party chief, Mallikarjun Kharge. He said that the Congress party always stood for inclusivity, but now no Muslims got tickets in Maharashtra. He's also added that people from his community are angry and hence he's taken the decision to part ways.
मैं भी कहीं ना कहीं असमंजस में हूं। मेरे पास जवाब नहीं है, उत्तर नहीं है कि मैं उनको क्या उत्तर दूं, क्योंकि उनकी जो भावना है कहीं ना कहीं मुझे भी लगता है कि कांग्रेस पार्टी की जो एक विचारधारा रही है हमेशा से, हमारे नेता राहुल गांधी हों, सोनिया गांधी हों, उनकी जो नीति रही है कि सभी समाज के लोगों को हर क्षेत्र में, चाहे विधानसभा का चुनाव हो, लोकसभा का चुनाव हो, सरकार बन जाए तो मंत्रिमंडल में नेतृत्व देने का सवाल हो, फिर चाहे सरकारी निर्णय लेते हैं तो उसमें सभी समाज को न्याय मिले, उसका ख्याल रखने की बात हो। और कांग्रेस पार्टी तो न्याय के मुद्दे पर ही चुनाव लड़ रही है। तो अब इसी पार्टी में अगर हम अल्पसंख्यक समाज को उम्मीदवारी देने के नाम पर न्याय नहीं दे सकते तो आज हमारे सामने एक सवालिया निशान खड़ा है। इसीलिए मेरे पास शब्द नहीं है, उत्तर नहीं है, जवाब नहीं है। इसीलिए मैंने स्टार कैंपेनर पद से और प्रचार समिति से त्यागपत्र दिया।
In fact, Samajwadi's Abu Azmi, as I was telling you, he too has echoed Naseem Khan's views in a tweet. In fact, he said that development was disheartening. He's also mentioned that Naseem Khan has also been denied a ticket from Mumbai North Central constituency. In fact, let me go across to Ankit, who's joining us. Ankit, can you take us through that tweet which is coming in? It's not just one Congress leader, but now even others from other parties are making their opinions and their hurt being felt.
Most definitely, Meghna, and Abu Azmi is not one to hold back. So he's written, it is disheartening to note that the MVA did not nominate any Muslim candidates out of the 48 Lok Sabha seats in Maharashtra. Arif Naseem Khan, a former minister of the Congress, was also denied a ticket from the North Central Mumbai Lok Sabha seat, after which he resigned. Despite previously passing reservations, the Congress did not advocate for Muslim reservation during the recent 2.5-year MVA tenure. Although the Samajwadi Party requested one seat in Maharashtra, the Congress rejected the demand, citing insufficient stake in the state. Despite being a major party in Maharashtra, it is a matter of shame that the Congress has failed to accommodate a single Muslim candidate. And if I also have a second, I'm also going to read Sanjay Nirupam's tweet. Former Congress leader left very recently. He says, 1.5 crore Muslim community of Maharashtra votes only for Congress, but the entire society is very angry with the Congress this time. Why? Because despite so much loyalty, Congress has not fielded a single Muslim candidate in this Lok Sabha election. This has happened for the first time. A leader from North Central Mumbai was hopeful. He too was betrayed by the party. There is talk that Shiv Sena, eyeing Congress's Muslim votes, got Netaji's ticket cancelled. I had told you, in Maharashtra, the Congress is in prostration posture before the UBT Sena. And don't be surprised if in the future Maharashtra unit of the party merges with the UBT Sena. However, Muslims are in a mood to revolt against the Congress.
Yes.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.